Hi everyone, today I'm staying at the Village Hotel here in Solihull, West Midlands. Now I found this hotel for a very good price, and considering it's a Saturday night, I managed to get all access to the pool, spa, breakfast and the room itself for less than £80. It sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Well, let's find out, shall we? Now I'm here today with Emma, and the plan is to have a nice chill around the pool, a few drinks in the bar, and hopefully, if I can manage to persuade her to watch the football with me in the sports bar a little bit later. But she doesn't know that yet, so. Christmas has arrived. Here with the check-in. Let's have a look, shall we? Wow, okay. Now, I must say, on first impressions, this looks a pretty good room, especially as I've looked at some of the reviews and some of them were saying it's a bit dated, a bit filthy, but to be honest, it looks really good. But let's take you guys around and see what you all think, and let's have a look around, shall we? Right then, so as soon as you come in, as you can see, it's a nice sized room. And right to the left, we have a huge wardrobe with two very big, long, full-length mirrors. Let's open the wardrobe up, see what we've got inside. There we go. And as you can see, a nice sized wardrobe, complete with a couple of hangers, ironing board, and a drawer here, which contains the hairdryer. Perfect, okay. There we go, just a nice little, for some reason, window into the bathroom. So yeah, what we got next? Right, so as you can see, we've got a bedside table, two plug sockets and the light controls for the rest of the room, and a bin under there. Under the bed we actually have enough space to put your bags, which we've already done, and you got a little newspaper which gives you all the information about the hotel in particular, which is a nice little way of showing all the hotel's information. Quite like that. Nice big TV. And again, as you know, we're partial to a good couple of chairs. Yeah, this chair's pretty comfortable. It's all right, to be honest. Got a huge window. It's in plenty of light, in all fairness. And then I think these are blackout blinds that close all the way down to blackout, obviously, so you get a nice good sleep. And another chair here. Obviously, if you need to do any work or to get ready. The tea and coffee making facilities. Obviously, you've got your teas, coffees, sugars, milks. Let's have a look at the kettle. Yeah, all quite good there. Perfect for that. Obviously, we've got the bed, which we'll look at a little bit later and see how comfy that actually is. Looks quite inviting so far, and it's a nice big size as well, which is perfect. So then, room checked out. Let's go check out the bathroom and see what we think of that. Right then, let's take a look. Nice size bathroom as well. The whole room is pretty spacious, to be honest. So, okay, so first of all, let's have a look. We've got a sink and a full-length mirror here. Nice. Sink looks clean, taps look very clean, and we've got some Espa hand wash. Quite nice. We've got a nice clean toilet here, and the floor's very clean as well. And then obviously to the bath and the shower, which the shower is actually pretty impressive. It's got one of those rainfall showers. So we're going to check the pressure of that out a little bit later, and obviously with the full length bath as well. That's all pretty nice. And the shower's controlled from here. A warning, gets very hot. So yeah, overall pretty nice, and I'm quite impressed with that, to be fair. Yeah, actually I'm impressed with the bathroom as well, to be honest. To be fair, the whole place is really clean as well. I can't really fault it at all. Right then, so far I'm pretty impressed, I must say. The bathroom's nice, the room's nice and spacious, very clean. So let's go and have a look around the rest of the hotel, shall we? Comes with its own Starbucks, pretty cool. It has a full gym as well, and then we've got the bar just through here. Oh, and look who it is. It's Emma. Waiting, looking bored for me. Bottle of wine finished. I've managed to persuade her to come to watch football. Are you happy about that? So yeah, we've had a bit of a chill, and now it's time to go downstairs and watch some football. So what do you want then? So we get the large tenders.
The large, yeah.
And the cone of cry fries. Quite an alright selection though, to be fair. Quite like that. Sitting, it's like stadium seating, isn't it? Pass up. No good. I'm going to eat these and come back to you. Yeah, eat these and come back to you. Well, we've ate the food, really nice to be honest. Still watching the match, it's currently 0-0, a bit boring so far. So we scored. Good goal, wasn't it? Come on. Right, good morning everyone. No, football didn't go my way yesterday, so I'm a little bit upset, but move on. So anyway, last night we opened up a tab because we thought it'd be easier, and at the end of the night they tried to put extra drinks and everything on our table. So I don't know what that was about. I don't know whether they're hoping that maybe you're too drunk or something. We only had a couple of drinks anyway, so I did spot that. They did remove it, but it was a bit, I hate it when that kind of thing happens, but I mean, I suppose mistakes can happen, but give them the benefit of the doubt. But I don't know, just had a bit of a weird feeling. That's why I asked for the receipt, that would happen, and it sure enough did. So there we go. But yeah, other than that, it was alright. It's quite a nice little hotel, but yeah, it got a little bit, I don't know, it was alright. And now I'm going to check out the gym and that, and the breakfast, and yeah, come along with me. Let's go and have a look. Thank you, mate. The breakfast selection was pretty good, to be fair, with all the usual hot options there, including sausages, bacon and different kinds of eggs. There was also round potatoes instead of the normal hash browns. They were okay. They also had a good continental selection, including pancakes, pre-packed waffles, fruits and cereals. Of course, there was also a toast and coffee station to finish it all off. Right then, let's go ourselves something so small. I'm actually going out to get some lunch, so I'm going to try a couple of bits, and yeah. Right, literally got a tiny selection, as I'm not really very hungry, to be honest. But yeah, kind of pointless, to be fair. But at least they're going to check out the gym. Now the gym here was seriously impressive, to be honest. Now it's not just used as a hotel gym, but people in the area use it as their main gym, so it isn't exactly quiet. Saying this though, it is a fantastic size, and the equipment also very, very good. That's a nice looking gym, to be fair. Sadly, this was all I took from the pool area, as I was not allowed to film in there, but again, it's really, really nice, and it's a great perk to have included with your room, even if it is a little bit busy. Right, so obviously I can't film in the pool, so I'm going to have a quick swim, a little bit of a jacuzzi, and I'll catch you all later when I'm going back up to the room. See you in a minute. Right, that gym's pretty good, to be fair. I must say, it's a really good quality gym. It's really hard to film in there, but yeah, really good gym. Right then, let's sum up the Village Hotel in Solihull. Right, first the negatives. Like I said, a couple of members of staff last night were a little bit miserable, to be honest, but you never know what they've gone through in the day, so we'll give them the benefit of the doubt for that. Right, a bad point, to be fair, was the tab situation. Like I say, that's never great. I had a feeling that just something wasn't right with the whole way that was working, so I did ask for a receipt, and there was extra drinks put onto the bill,
which again could genuinely be a mistake, but even so, still not great, even if it was a mistake, and even worse, if it was done on purpose. Obviously, that's a bigger problem. But they did take them off when I questioned it, and to be honest, there's not much more you can say. Like I say, it could have been a genuine error, so I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt for that. So yeah, let's talk about something else. I must say, a good positive of this place is the gym. The gym's fantastic. The spa, the pool, everything about it. I couldn't get too many shots, which is a shame, really, because it is really, really good. Another thing is the fact the amenities of the hotel. Like I say, you've got the bar and the restaurant, which the food was pretty good last night overall, although a little bit expensive. I would say that the Starbucks here, who doesn't like that really nowadays? So that's a good little amenity to have when I got Emma one this morning. So yeah, really quick sum up of the hotel overall. Actually, I'm really happy with it. I think the positives definitely outweigh the negatives. And I would definitely stay here again, and especially for the price that we paid. Like I say, under £80 for a Saturday night is very good value for money, with the breakfast, with the pool, the spa, everything else included. It was good value for money. And yeah, so overall I'm going to give it probably 8 out of 10. And that's pretty much it from me, to be honest. So thanks everybody for watching, and if you did like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much, and I'll see you all later. Bye.